it's your girl Paula Marie. Hello, it's your girl Paula Marie, aka the EbonyBizDiva.
Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl Paula Marie, aka the EbonyBizDiva, and we are going to go back to that awesome sauce of ThriveCart, and we're going to talk about how they have the capability to redirect pages after your counter has ended. Now, I checked out a couple of other places, and I'm going to tell you that you can pay anywhere from $49 to $99 and on up per month for this service. But ThriveCart is included in your one-time lifetime guarantee. So let's get into it. Let me share my screen. So I'm going to take you straight to my ThriveCart, and these are some of the items that I have for sale. Now you can see up here, I can add upsells, I can add downsells, and I also can add coupons, A/B testing as well. As you can see, this counter actually ended, but I can reset it. So I'm going to scroll over on the left-hand side, and this is where you will place your countdown. So I'm going to place it for the 6th. It's going to end at midnight. So it adjusted it to 4 more days, 1 more hour, 14 minutes, and 0 seconds. Let me click on the counter. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now it says here, when this timer ends, which means when that timer hits 0, right? I can either replace the cart with a message, or I can take the user to another page. Now, let me be clear. Let me say that one more time. I don't have to pay $49 or $99 or $159 a month. I have the option already rolled into my ThriveCart to take them to another page or to have a message pop up when this countdown goes all the way down to 0. And so here is where you will place the URL if you were to take them to another page that you've built out. So for me, this was a special priced item. I wanted the sale to end at a certain day and a certain time, and I wanted them to go back to the original sale price after it ended. So you would place that URL right there. Too slick, right? But let's just say you wanted to replace it with the message. You would just type your message in here. Too easy. There's so many features that are rolled inside of ThriveCart that I'm just scratching the surface of, and I have no monthly fees. I have everything rolled into my slick one-time, a lifetime package that I paid for last year. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to place the link in the description so you can check out ThriveCart for yourself. It is an investment for your business because not only are you going to be able to do amazing sales pages with redirects and great countdowns, but also affiliate links. You're also going to have the automation, redirected emails directly to the service that you use already. There's just so many things that you can do with ThriveCart, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So that's it. Make sure you check the link out in the description. It's your girl, Paula Marie, aka the EbonyBizDiva, and I will see you later on in these ThriveCart streets. Honey, alrighty, bye.